According to theory of abiogenesis, life originated from non-living organisms. So it was understood that, say if you're keeping a bread in your house, after few days you can see bread mold growing on it. So with this logic, they said that life originated from non-living things. We get several examples of this sort, where we would have kept some curry or broth, and by the time it is night, morning it was cooked, and at night it is completely changed color, the flavor, the aroma of it. So these all gives us a hint probably that life has originated from non-living things. But Louis Pasteur said differently. Through his experiment, which was named as swan-necked flask experiment, because of his flask which had a neck of swan type, you can see here the bent kind of neck, we called it as swan-necked flask experiment. Very simple experiment but very important one, where he boiled the broth for a very long time so that he killed all the microbes here, and the complete broth was microbe free. Then after that, even when it is cooled, after several days also, the broth was free from microorganisms. But once what happens, since the air was passing through here and in the neck the microbes was getting entrapped, what we did, we tilted the complete flask and the microbes started moving in. In due course of time, you can see the broth has changed color and you can see it is completely having microbes. So what does it prove? That microbes could not grow from a non-living broth. It required a pre-living microbes for its growth.